Step 2 here is going to be cutting our car to length. So we want to get the overall length set up for our car. So the first thing we have to do is go to half car for modeling. And then we're going to go to front view, which again is camera standard views front, or orthographic projection in front view. Then we talked about we need to get inside this component. So I'm going to edit component, got the dotted line, critical part right there. Get that out of our way just so we don't have to see it. Now our car has to be a total length of between 200 and 300 millimeters. So I'm going to use the tape measure tool to get what's called a guideline. And if I click here on an end point, it gives me guidelines kind of funky that I really can't control very well, and they don't work very well. Get out of the component again. What I want to click is the blue axis above my car and bring that to the right. Now I can kind of take a look at what my thumbnail sketches look like, and I can say, okay, I want my car to be cut off a little bit, but not a whole ton. Right about here is 300. Right about here is 200. So I'm going to go here. If I look, that's about 247, 249. So I'm going to type 250. Just type it. It'll automatically go down on the lower right-hand side and hit enter. So at this point, I just have a guideline here. So this tells me that's where I'm going to cut my car off. We're going to actually cut it off so we don't drive or cut past that. So I'm going to start at my intersection with the pencil tool. So I want to draw a line now. And intersection. And now I have my guideline with the line drawn across the top of it. Now I can push-pull. A lot of people want to push-pull from this coming back this way, but it kind of doesn't look right. It leaves you that little triangle there. You want to push-pull from this side of your car and push-pull it back. As you push-pull it back, it'll kind of get hooked on this back corner here, and you can let it go. And it'll cut your car off. Go back to front view. I can click on the dimension tool. And the dimension tool is 3 clicks. Start, end, and drag it down. 250 millimeters long. Perfect. And I am done cutting my car off to length. First step is done.